Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Gloucester County Institute of Technology and our student athlete signing ceremony. I'm Mike McAleer, and I'm the proud athletic director here at GCIT. Today's a great day. It's a culmination of a long journey, not just for the student athlete, but also for the family. Most importantly, it's the culmination of an educational career over 13 years. And the students made not only a momentous decision where they're going to continue their education and prepare for their adult life, but they are continuing to play a sport which they have enjoyed and excelled at. On behalf of GCIT, I congratulate the families and the student athletes. Just before we start, just make sure you silence your cell phones or turn them off before we get going. So at this time, let's introduce our student athletes. First, from girls soccer, Morgan Riley. Also from girls soccer, Brianna Wilson. Our girls, take a seat. Do your best, look like you're signing the certificate, and look at everybody. Go ahead. All right, thank you, ladies. Take a seat. Yeah, take a seat out there. We're good. All right, before we begin, I would like to introduce some important people here who help make our sports programs go and give us a lot of opportunities. First, our superintendent is here, Mr. Michael Dickin. We have a couple of our administrators here. Mrs. Ford is here. Thank you for coming. Mrs. McPeak. And it's our last time here, our athletic trainer, Miss Nagel. Thank you for stopping by. Our principal, Mr. Dundee, gives best wishes to Morley and Brianna. He is at his own daughter's signing today, so congratulations to Mr. Dundee and his family. So how this is going to work, I will call down the student athlete, have a little talk about her, and then the immediate family will come down and we'll take some pictures. After the entire ceremony is done, you can come up, take as many pictures with as many friends, family as you would like, and enjoy the ceremony. So first, let us call down Morgan Riley. Morgan is in the health sciences program here at GCIT. She's going to continue her education at Rutgers-Camden University, where she will major in nursing. From Coach Vahey, Morgan is one of the most accomplished players in GCIT girls soccer history. As a four-year starter, she has been an integral part of some of its most successful teams. She has won the program's only division championship. She has made 2 South Jersey championship games, and she's won 3 NJTAC championships. She holds the school records for wins and saves. She was the team captain this year, and her leadership will be missed by the GCIT soccer family. Her best GCIT memory is going to the South Jersey Group Championship 2 years in a row, despite our outcomes in the regular season. She would like to give thanks to my family, friends, coaches, and teammates. With her today, and have them come on down, her parents Lisa and Eric, and her brother Aiden. Morgan Riley. Next, let's call down Brianna Wilson. Brianna is also a member of the girls' soccer team. Her program is baking and pastry arts. She'll be continuing her education at Goucher College, where she will major in business management. From Coach Fahey, Brianna is a 2-year varsity player who always gives her all on the field. She has battled through multiple injuries each of the last 2 years, but really stepped up this year as an 80-minute-a-game player in both the midfield and as fullback. She is always willing to do whatever is best for the team, and the GCIT soccer family will really miss her. Her best GCIT memories are meeting my best friends, bus rides, and pasta parties. She'd like to give thanks. I would like to give thanks to my parents for all the time and money they put into my career, and my coach for helping me become the player I am today. With her today, and come on down, her parents, Nicole and Tim. Congratulations, Brianna. So just in closing, I would just like to add, again, congratulations to the student athletes and families. For these, we've got 2 girls soccer players. This is my 9th year here at GCIT. The girls soccer program has done very well. Without a doubt, the last 4 years I've really seen just tremendous growth in our game, a lot of success, and with our 2 signees had a big part to do with that. So again, close out. Thank you everyone for coming. Once again, family, friends, take as many pictures as you would like before leaving. I wish everyone a great rest of the week and a great Thanksgiving. Thank you.